Hello from Berlin. We woke up late today because of a tiring 9 hours in the car the day before, so we started our walking tour at about 11 after breakfast. And we passed by this popular beer house every day, Hofbräuhaus München. We were at Alexanderplatz and we planned to go for a short window shopping at Saturn. We wanted to have a look for the price of iPhone original cable and a tripod. And we also wanted to see the latest model of iMac, so we walked over to the square to another shopping mall. Guys, if you are around Alexanderplatz, you'll always can experience the hustle and bustle here. No matter what time you come here, it is always busy and crowded till the evening around 10 p.m. We were going to MediaMarkt. A gentle reminder, guys, do not forget to have a mask with you if you do not want to be stopped by a policeman. Alright, let's start our walking tour. Let me bring you to a nearby important rat structure, the Rathaus, or it is called the Rat City Hall, at Alexanderplatz, nearby the square. And you see, guys, these flags, I think you should recognize them. They are the flags of State of Berlin, Germany, and European Union. So guys, from Alexanderplatz, you can just walk to this beautiful place near Berlin Dome, watching boats and river taxis passing by on Spree River. You will also see people love cycling around here. It took us about 20 minutes to walk to here from Alexanderplatz. Here is Berlin TV Tower. And this is beautiful Berliner Dome. And another perspective to see Berlin is with this river cruise, and of course at this pandemic time you'll need COVID test or vaccine. Sorry guys, it was quite windy. I can understand it caused some disturbing noise. Guys, I find that public transport in Berlin is considered a convenient one. Like for example, S-Bahn or tram comes every minute. There is a restaurant at the highest platform up there. It rotates 360 degrees. We were up there a few years ago. Bicycles, scooters, tricycles, taxis are easily spotted almost anywhere. Berlin TV Tower is viewable almost in everywhere because it's the highest structure here. Oh yes, if you are reluctant to walk too much or you want to see Berlin in general perspective, you may hop on Big Bus Berlin or any hop-on hop-off tourist bus. Ticket can be purchased online with or without a package, or you can pay on the spot. But to be honest, we prefer walking or taking underground train. We bought 5 or 6 days tickets for two, and they are for U-Bahn and S-Bahn. And almost every public place here has garden or park. Alexanderplatz Hauptbahnhof or train station, it seems to be the busiest one. So guys, I can say that Berlin is a pedestrian-friendly city too. And it is absolutely safe to walk in this city. Generally, Germany is a safe country for tourists. I myself have been here for some years, and up to today, I never see anyone was robbed or I've been robbed while I'm walking around in German cities or towns. But still, you need to take care of your valuable belongings everywhere on this earth. There is always a possibility of being stolen if we are reckless. And by now, we were heading back to our hotel after a few hours sightseeing. And please pay attention when you cross the road. Do not see your phone while you're crossing. I want to show you one fun fact in historic Berlin. You see the green traffic light? You see something cute? Let me show you again. Even the traffic light can be related to history. A soldier-like green man. Okay guys, I will end my walking tour here, and perhaps I'll bring you tour around Alexanderplatz in my next clip. I'll probably bring you to have a close-up look at the world clock and the TV tower of Berlin. There was also an amazing view spotted in the square. Please stay with me for my next tour. Thanks for watching. If you like my tour, please show me your thumbs up and leave a comment below at the comment section. Please do not forget to click subscribe if you have not done it, so that you'll not miss every episode of my travel clips. Bye!